In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add week numbers in a Microsoft Outlook calendar. Welcome to this simple and practical tutorial, where you'll learn how to enhance your calendar view in Microsoft Outlook by enabling week numbers. This small adjustment can make a big difference when it comes to organizing your schedule, especially if you often work with timelines, deadlines, or weekly planning. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If it's not already running, you can launch it from your taskbar or by searching for it in your list of installed programs. Once the application is open, you may see your inbox or another default section. But for this setup, we'll be focusing on the calendar settings. From the main Outlook window, look toward the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will open a menu that contains several options related to your account and application settings. From this menu, find and select the option labeled Options, usually located near the bottom. After clicking it, a new window called Outlook Options will appear. This window allows you to customize different aspects of how Outlook works. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. From that list, select Calendar to access settings related specifically to your calendar view. Now that you're in the Calendar Settings section, scroll down through the available options until you reach the Display Settings area. This section controls how your calendar appears on screen, including what information is visible. Look for the setting that allows you to display week numbers in both the month view and the date navigator. This option may not be enabled by default, so you'll need to click the checkbox beside it to turn it on. Enabling this feature can help you quickly identify which week of the year you're in, making it easier to coordinate schedules, manage projects, and stay on track with your plans. Once you've selected this option, go ahead and confirm your changes by clicking the OK button. This will apply the new setting and close the options window. After that, return to your calendar view, and you should now see the week numbers displayed alongside your dates. This added detail gives you a clearer overview of your schedule at a glance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.